Hello student, I am Dr. Paramita Basu from Kiat and Design. So as you know, you see the forms have come out. Now we have making a UC form filling video. In this year I am making almost all the colleges which are good college the form videos. So that's why I am also making USEED's video. So for this USEED and SEED video is almost similar because the same form is used for USEED and SEED and the almost similar thing is there. So if you are not from USEED but you are filling SEED form, these same things you have to fill together. So we are making only one form, filling one form, and those who are filling USEED form also, you can see this form and then fill your. So those who are actually applying for USEED or SEED, they required many things, and our crash course are open. You can join our crash course. Just WhatsApp me in my number and then I will tell you about my crash course, the fee structure and everything. So and also if you regarding any knowledge you want for USEED or SEED, you can just WhatsApp me in my number. Even for other colleges like all other private design colleges or NID NIFT, you want to ask anything, you can WhatsApp me in my number. So let us go and see how you can fill USEED form.
Click on the link in the descriptions box to fill form of undergraduate common entrance exam for design.
Click on registration portal. Now click on register. Provide your email address and click on register. You'll receive an email for registration. Click on the link to proceed. This type of form will appear on the screen. Now fill your salutation. Write down your first name, middle name and last name. Fill your date of birth. Select your gender. Write down your mobile number and address. Select if you are Indian or non-Indian resident. Now select your country, state, district, city and PIN code. Now select a question and write down its secret answer, which would be required in the emergency to reset your password in case you forget it. Now create a strong password. Rewrite your password to confirm it. Now enter the CAPTCHA code and click on register. So once you register, go to USEED homepage and click on login. Fill your given email address and password you created to proceed for login. Select yes or no if you have any physical disability. Select your caste category, your date of birth and +2 qualifying year. Write down your mobile number and click on mobile verification. You'll receive an OTP on your registered mobile number. fill the OTP and click on mobile verification again. Most of the details have been filled already. Now select yes or no if you have changed your name before. Select yes or no if you belong to EWS section. Write down your father's and mother's name. You can also provide an alternate mobile number if you have any. Now we have to fill educational qualifications. Select your qualifying exam, your year of passing. Select board and stream. Next, write down your school name or college name and its address. Now you have to choose 3 exam cities according to your preference. Next, click on Save option. Check all the details you have filled and click on Confirm. Next, you have to submit your passport size photograph and your signature. For age proof, submit either birth certificate, 10th mark sheet or passport. For qualifying exam, submit 12th mark sheet, and these 2 files should be in PDF format. Now click on Upload Documents. Now check all the information once again before submitting the application. Scroll down to the end of the form and tick on the declaration. Next, click on Save and Proceed to Payment option. Next, click on Make Payment and submit the application form.
Now you have seen the USEED, how you have to fill USEED or SEED form. So just fill it in time. Don't wait for last date, because you know that I've seen there are many times the last day, the almost every time the website of that college always crashes. So I think it is better you fill the form in time. You can fill in this some of Durga Puja's holidays those students are getting, so that will be easy for you also. And NID forms are also, the last date is also coming. If you have not filled NID form, that also you can fill NID forms. If you need to know about NID forms, we have already given you a video on NID form. You can go and see that video also, and we will have more USEED and SEED video for you, for the syllabus, for all the things. And yes, again, if you want to join our classes for crash course, you can join our classes by WhatsApping in my number. You can ask me anything related with USEED or any colleges. So just remember my number and WhatsApp me. Write your name and state before asking me any question. I think this video is very important for everyone who is giving USEED or SEED exam. So do like and share. Those who have come first time in this channel, do subscribe us. We will meet you with lots of video. Bye for today.